It's been a tough week here on Harmony. I wasn't feeling well in the beginning of the week. It wasn't COVID, but I just was really tired and I get depressed when I get tired because I can't do anything. And anyway, so all week long it's been rain, and the water's been coming in and I've been flat out sleeping a lot. And anyway, I went to the dock this morning to get water, and I was greeted at the dock by my beautiful friends who gave me this amazing array of treats for Valentine's Day. And let me tell you, the Puerto Ricans have got this baking thing down. The baked goods are incredible, and this cake, I'm having trouble not eating the whole thing. But I did for 1 second think maybe I should eat the fruit first, but then I got the cake open. That was the end of that. This is what I call the eyeball forecast. It's calling for rain with a chance of, I'm going to say 85%. Seconds later, it's raining. Gotta shut the hatch. Yes, the rain just keeps coming. Naturally, this particular leak is right where all my electrics are. Charging station. Here's the tow rail on the starboard side. I got it all the way off back to the truck. So that's next. I gotta get all those nuts off the back of the truck. This is the hole right here, in which all that water is coming in every time it rains, which is like every hour or so, it seems like. I've been ordering things on Amazon, of course, because if they don't, I go to the hardware first, but if they don't have it at the hardware and you were locally, then I order things on Amazon. And it's a little tricky sometimes ordering things on Amazon. And I got 2 things today that really I thought were quite amusing. This is a 6-inch, 6-inch C-clamp. I guess it's this measurement. I was thinking it was this measurement. So this is like twice the size of what I was expecting. And at the same time, I ordered this adorable little pull ring to go on these deck things because I'm terrified I'm going to drop something in these little holes and it's going to go into the bilge and never be seen again. And this is like half the size of what I thought it was going to be. So I got these 2 items. One too big and one too small. Jesse did such a great job on that other filler piece for the hole up on the bow that I asked him if he would do one for that anchor hole, and he did. This is a 3-inch plug. So that's my upcoming project, to fill that up. Well, I have done it. I have cleared all the stuff out of here. Moved it all over here to the side. And there's the shelf. And I just want to show it off a little because it is so beautiful. Jesse made this shelf. And it is curved to fit the hull. And it fits perfectly in the boat. And look at the shine. I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Yay, Jesse. Now I just have to find a place to put it. I think it's going to go in the beavers, but there's so much stuff in the beavers right now. I finally pulled myself together enough yesterday to begin getting some of these nuts off. Naturally, some of them, like this one, is, I don't know if it's stripped or what, but it's not coming off easy. And I realized that if I take these stanchions down, I will not have any way to hang my laundry. This is a sample of what some of the lines on the boat look like. They're mess. This is the line that, this was a sheath on it, and the sheath is popping off and breaking, and so it's no longer protected. But here's a pretty new line. Look at it pretty. It's so pretty. New halyard. All the way up and over. Back down to the end of the boat. This is the new line that I put. This is a little bit of hardware that was attached to what used to be the mainsail sheet, I think, and it was supporting the mast, and it is, as you can see, this pin just sheared right off, and there's what's left of it in the hole here, and the inside ring of the thing it's a mess. Anyway. There was a hole here, and so this really nice little piece of hardware is toast. But best to find this out now rather than later when you're sailing somewhere and it fails and your sail goes haywire. It will come as no surprise to my regular viewers that I have once again been procrastinating. I am a little scared of the foot pump project, which involves cutting a hole in this bulkhead right here, this big hole in this bulkhead. Scary. But I got the tool to do the job. I have the jigsaw that I've had for some time. And I'm going to try it out. It's been suggested on YouTube that a person tries it out first on a practice thing, but of course I'm not that, inclined to practice. So another thing I've been procrastinating about is, this is where the old compass was. When I went to install the new compass, I discovered that the hole is just a little bit too big. And it hadn't occurred to me that it would be better if the hole was too small, because you can always make it bigger, but you can't make it smaller. So I got this piece of plastic starboard, and I have marked it with a circle because it was suggested by the fiberglass dude that I just put a piece of plastic on here and and then cut the holes smaller. So I'm hoping it's gonna work. Naturally, although it's Monday, it's a holiday, and here come the wakes. I can't do anything. It's like a darn tsunami in here, for crying out loud. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. All right, I have my tool. I have my enormous C-clamp holding it down, along with this box of doodads, which, ooh, that's a sharp doodad there. That needs to come off. Thanks. If a wakes ever calm down, I'll be sawing this thing. Good gravy. It's not so. Oh, it's even got a little groove there so you can see when you're cutting. That's cool. Okay. Just like butter, right? Just like butter. It's gonna cut in. I made this little piece of plastic as suggested by the dudes at the fiberglass place, Gudgeon Brothers. Make the West System epoxy. And they suggested doing this, so now I'm gonna see if it fits. compass. Here's the compass. Oh, I gotta drill the holes. Ah! Well, we won't know if it fits till I drill the compass, till I drill the holes.